Good morning, students. Today I am going to start with chapter number 1 of class plus 2, that is solid state. Students, matter exists in three physical states: gas, liquid and solid. First two, gaseous state and liquid state. These two states we have done in class plus 1. In class plus 2, we'll study about solid state. Okay. First topic or first part of this chapter is classification of solids. Beta, solids are of two types: crystalline and amorphous solids. Further, crystalline solids are subdivided into four categories: ionic crystalline solids, covalent, metallic and molecular crystalline solids. Okay, last one, this molecular crystalline solids can further be divided into three categories: polar molecular solids, hydrogen bonded molecular solids and non-polar molecular solids. So basically in this first topic of chapter solid state इसी फ्लो चार्ट को डिस्कस करना है पूरा. ठीक है. फर्स्ट थिंग, सॉलिड्स क्या है? सॉलिड्स की कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज कुछ लिस्ट करते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड्स. Solids have definite mass. यही है ना? These are definite mass and volume. Solids. Okay. Solids are almost incompressible. Then solids have strongest intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular forces of attractions. Okay. Constituent particles are so tightly packed in solid state that these substances are almost incompressible. Okay? This tight packing of particles in solids make them rigid and hard. Okay? Then come to the main types of solid states. यहाँ पे कुछ बेटर डिफरेंसेस लिखे हुए हैं: क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स एंड अमॉर्फस सॉलिड्स. साइड देखो, क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स एक्चुअली क्या है? फर्स्ट जो डिफरेंस भी देखो, इन क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स देयर इज लॉन्ग रेंज ऑर्डर्ड अरेंजमेंट ऑफ Cp. Cp is constituent particles which can be atoms, ions or molecules depending upon type of crystalline solid. Okay, long range ordered arrangement, इसका मतलब क्या है? Suppose करो you are in a classroom and consider yourself as a constituent particles. One student is sitting behind another student in infinite long row. Consider this. Okay? It is a perfectly ordered arrangement. That is in crystalline solids. So constituent particles are aligned are present in an ordered manner. Okay? Whereas in amorphous solids, there is a short range ordered arrangement. सेम है, वही स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं एक के पीछे दूसरा स्टूडेंट, बट कुछ शरारती बच्चे ऑर्डर को ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. Just like this. ठीक है, there is a order but not long range but a short range. This second, this black one, it represents arrangement in amorphous solids. ठीक है, the second point of difference between crystalline solids and amorphous solid is melting point. Crystalline solids have sharp melting point. Sharp means a fixed melting point. These solids melt at exactly known temperature, fixed temperature. For example, ice है. What is the melting point of ice? It's 0 degree centigrade. यही बोलते हो ना? That ice melts at 0 degree centigrade. इसे तो नहीं है that ice melts at minus 10 degree centigrade or 10 degree centigrade. It is 0 degree centigrade. अगर 0.1 degree centigrade भी होएगा, whole of the ice will melt into water. यही है ना? It's a fixed melting point. Okay? Whereas amorphous solids melt over range of temperature. ठीक है? Means they do not have any sharp or fixed melting point. Let's say suppose plastic है, कोई भी rubber और plastic consider करो में, it will not melt at a temperature say at 135 degree centigrade. Exactly ही melt होएगी. अगर आप प्लास्टिक के पीस को लेके हीट करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे, it will melt, starts melting at about say 90 degree centigrade. ठीक है? At 90 degree centigrade, some portion of plastic or rubber becomes liquid, other remain solid. At 110, some more amount of plastic or rubber melt, become liquid, another portion remain solid. So it continue till say about 200 degree centigrade. Just approximate idea. Okay? So these materials do not have any fixed value of melting point, but they melt over range of temperature. ठीक है? ये था temperature. Next property है जो anisotropic and isotropic. According to me, it's most important. Notes बनाओगे से important mark करना. Anisotropic और isotropic चीज क्या है? 10th का थोड़ा लेक्चर रिवाइज करवा रहा हूं. 10th physics resistance. Suppose we have a wire of length L and an area of cross section A. Say, okay, its electrical resistance is to be measured first by applying potential difference at point A and B. It's a first case. Okay. In second case, potential difference is provided at point between point C and D. Okay. क्या observations आएगी? क्या सोचते हो? Electrical resistance की value same होएगी या different? याद आया कुछ? Electrical resistance depends upon length and cross-sectional area. Means the resistance है जो, it depends upon dimensions of conductor. यहाँ पे in first part when potential difference is between A and B, second part when it is applied across C and D, value of electrical resistance will vary, different way. Okay, we are measuring a physical property, that is electrical resistance, but in two different directions. Okay, and what we got? We get different values. अलग-अलग values आ रही हैं, दोनों points पे अलग-अलग आ रही है. This phenomenon is known as anisotropy. Okay, exact बोल रहा हूँ. Anisotropy क्या है? Anisotropy is the phenomenon of having different values of a physical property when measured from different directions. Okay, crystalline solids are anisotropic. Similarly, amorphous solids are isotropic. अब आइसोट्रॉपी की डेफिनेशन तो बना ही लोगे आप. आइसोट्रॉपी क्या हो जाएगी? It's the phenomenon of exhibiting same value of a physical property when measured at different angles or from different directions. That is isotropic. Amorphous solids are isotropic. Okay. Next point of difference is when crystalline solids are cut with sharp edge tool. Suppose the answer cut किया. Okay. We get two pieces which have smooth and plain surface. इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. Plain and smooth surface. But if same is done with amorphous solid, the surface is not smooth. जो दो pieces होंगे, their surface not be smooth. ठीक है? Next is crystalline solids are true solids. Normal जो भी properties लिखी हैं, these follow. Next, amorphous solids are pseudo solids, नकली solids, or you can say super cooled liquid. Okay, this one is also important, students. Why some solids can be regarded as pseudo solids or super cooled liquid. ठीक है, so एक example से consider करते हैं. Take example of glass. Glass is an amorphous solid. Glass, it is an amorphous solid. If you consider window pane or glass of a very old window, approximately 100 years old window, वो आप ऑब्जर्व क्या करोगे जब उसकी थिकनेस मेजर करोगे विद वर्नियर कैलिपर? इट विल बी थिक एट द बॉटम एंड थिनर एट द टॉप. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होगा. टॉप पे थिन होएगा थोड़ा, और जैसे जैसे नीचे आओगे थिकनेस कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. Or is it possible? It is only possible when constituent particles of glass settles down. ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे हैं, means वो flow कर रहे हैं, just like liquids. So amorphous solids have tendency to flow under their own weight. Okay, therefore these are considered as pseudosolids or supercooled liquids. Next is examples. Example में learn करनी है, say diamond, ice, common salt, NaCl, iron or any other metal. These are crystalline solids, plastic, rubber, wood. These can be regarded as amorphous solids. Students, crystalline solids can further be classified into 4 categories. लिखी हुई हैं, आयोनिक सॉलिड, मेटालिक सॉलिड, कोवेलेंट सॉलिड्स एंड मॉलिक्यूलर सॉलिड्स। ओके, इन चारों की प्रॉपर्टीज स्टडी करते हैं। फर्स्ट कंसिडर करो ionic solids. Ionic solids are those in which constituent particles are ions. ठीक है, constituent particles are ions, cations and anions. Next, attractive forces. ने फिजिक्स में फर्स्ट चैप्टर में रीड किया होगा +2 में। अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस आयंस के बीच में कौन सी होती हैं? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और कूलम्बिक फोर्सेस। सो फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक और कूलम्बिक फोर्सेस। ठीक है, इनफैक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस। ओके, नेक्स्ट है आयोनिक सॉलिड्स के कुछ एग्जांपल्स। प्रोसीड करने से पहले एग्जांपल्स कर ले। NaCl, KBr, MgO, जो भी जितनी एग्जांपल्स आपको पता है, FeCl3, एनी आयोनिक कंपाउंड बेसिकली। फिजिकल नेचर, ionic solids are hard but brittle. Brittle means these solids break down under pressure. टूट जाएंगे, ठीक है। Means non-malleable, non-ductile, ठीक है। Melting point. Melting point of ionic solids is very high. It's close to 1500 Kelvin. Okay. Electrical conductivity. In solid state, these are insulator. Now एक दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है that these are composed of ions. Still these are insulators. और क्या है? Insulator इसलिए है बेटे that जो ions हैं, जो cations and anions हैं, these are bound by strong coulombic forces. These are not available. Ions are not available to act as charge carriers or current carriers. Okay, so these are insulator in solid state, but यहाँ पे नोट ले लो, good conductor in molten or dissolved form state. Okay, the aqueous solutions or in molten state, these ions are free to move in the crystal lattice, so these become good conductor of electricity. Okay, similarly second करना है metallic solids. In metallic solids, constituent particles are metal atoms, और अगर exactly बोलूं then positive kernels and valence electrons. Okay, suppose sodium है, its atomic number 11, it has nucleus, positive charge, its electronic configuration is 2A1, first shell, second shell. Okay. Positive kernel क्या चीज है? Nucleus, first shell KL, and second shell. In case of sodium, this is kernel. Basically, nucleus and the electrons other than valence electrons, that is kernel, and the electron which is present in last shell, एक ही electron है वो अलग होएगा, negatively charged valence electrons and positively charged kernels. Okay, these are the constituent particles in metallic solids. Next is forces of attraction. It's metallic bond. Okay, example, heavy metal ले लो, sodium, iron, gold, alloys. Okay, these are hard, ductile, and malleable. Okay. Melting point of metallic solids is moderate to high. Okay, approximately अगर करूँ तो it's 800 to 1000 calorie approximately. Okay, these are conductor of electricity. Okay, similarly students ये 5-6 points आपने इसके लिए भी करनी है for covalent solids and for molecular solids. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहां से डाउनलोड कर लेना, वहां से स्टडी करना. ठीक है, नहीं समझ आया then I am available. Okay, next time we'll continue with crystal lattice or arrangement of constituent particles in 3-dimensional space. Thank you.